Welcome back to Sun Crypto. I'm just gonna have to update BTC very quick. As soon as I made my previous video about the short analysis about the 45-minute and then the 4-hour time frame, I said that BTC has plenty of room to go. Right? I said it just about less than an hour ago. BTC about to break out. Right? We have to close above 4150, but BTC gave us a bit, even a bigger and better breakout. Right? Just about 44.28. So most people are gonna be calling for a the breakout came. All of them was calling for. Most people were calling, like 90% of the market. Everybody was bearish. Bitcoin going back to 3K. So I just want to see like the next 24 hours how people are going to be drawing their chart, right? So but when you take a look at the BTC, we've been calling for an inverted head and shoulder just about the February 22nd, right before we make this move to the downside, right before we get this move to the downside. I made it a special video. You can go back and watch my BTC playlist, right? Starting on the 22nd of February. I say BTC gonna come back down to this area, make a U-turn, get back to this area of neckline, right? And push to the upside. It's a very detailed analysis, step-by-step analysis, right? So now we got this big move to the upside. It is just a quick update. I'm just gonna have to wait how these daily candle are gonna be closing the next 24 hours. I mean the next, let's say 15-16 hours, right? Because we have to respect this area of resistance, just about this area of 44.28 to 44.50, right? So it wasn't one of our target this week. Target was just to close above 42.50, so it's even better, right? So we could expect like at least BTC to make a bull flag, at least for the short term, so that way altcoin gonna be going crazy. Because most people are not paying. Most people are trading versus USD Tether or USD dollar. It's gonna ruin you if you trade versus USD dollar. Because you think about it, right? NEO is almost like 25% up on its dollar value, but it's only like 5% up versus BTC. It is pretty critical. So it is just showing you NEO can go up another like 50 to 80% to the upside very shortly. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Like the NEO dollar value is up versus BTC, right? Like it's almost like $11. I mean, not versus BTC, but versus the dollar, right? NEO dollar value is almost like $11, and versus BTC, NEO is only 5% up versus BTC the last like 2 to 3 weeks, like from like 220,000 like to 240,000, something like that, less than 10%. So, but it's almost like up 25% in in dollar value. So it is pretty critical. If NEO can go up in versus dollar like a 25%. 30%, if it goes versus BTC after BTC like make a slight pullback, NEO can go like a 50% up. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to explain to you, but I'm just gonna make a detailed analysis on my altcoin daily update. The alt are too bullish for BTC to fail. I just said it like less than an hour ago. Altcoins are too bullish for BTC to fail. So what that means, BTC has to push to the upside, make a sideways correction, right? And alt gonna be going crazy. I said this like over like 45 days ago. Like BTC, once BTC get to this area, after we complete this inverted head and shoulder, BTC get to this area, altcoin gonna be going crazy. But look at BTC, a 10% move to the upside in 10 minutes, right? Altcoin gonna be making like 5x, 6x very shortly. But it all depends how BTC going to be correcting, because most people are going to be trying to dump the market, and then calling for the dump is coming. So it is pretty interesting, man. The market is I'm not saying the bear market is over. We could still be moving sideways, but my ultimate target for BTC is just 51 to 53. Once we get to that target, we already hit 3 targets this week. 41.51. 41.94, 42.50, right? So next target is just a 1-to-1 extension from the neckline to this area, which is just about 5,000, right? 48.50 to 5,000, because it depends how you draw your neckline, so it can be like a slight difference, right? So but let's just say 48.50 to 5100. Sometimes it's spring, right? And then XRP gonna take over very shortly. I will make a very detailed analysis why XRP can even like get be #1 very shortly in total market cap. I know it's a pretty big statement, but you know, I'm gonna explain to you why XRP could be, you know, #1 very shortly. By total market cap, right? It's not gonna be there forever. It's just gonna be very short term, like a #1 pick. All right, that's about it for today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the RSI, right? The RSI is only 78, right, on the daily time frame. It is pretty extended, right? So no divergence when you take a look at it. It is pretty significant. When you take a look at these details, most people just draw like be drawing lines, right? Look at no divergence, right? People was calling for this divergence long time ago. You know, say, oh, BTC is going down, RSI is going down, but the price is going up, because they spend too much time like drawing lines. Like some of the TAs, like you go take a look at the TAs, too many lines, right? I try to avoid like having like more than 3 lines on my TAs, right? Only flags and inverted head and shoulder. But when you take a look at this divergence, right, it's no more divergence. You know, everything is clear. RSI is moving with price is moving it with RSI. It is pretty significant, right? So that's basically like one of the, you know, first breakout. You can see like BTC, you know, and RSI, you know, are moving in a perfect like a harmony. So, and then you know, RSI is about to be 80. And if you don't know about BTC, you know, don't underestimate BTC, man. I know it's been a rough bear market, but don't underestimate BTC, at least for the short term, right? It is pretty powerful. It can give you like a 600 to 900% move to the, I mean, not 900% move, but 900 points in, you know, in a heartbeat. So you take a look at the RSI, you know, no divergence. I'm expecting like RSI can even get like 85 to 84 very shortly. Not today, but you know, in the near future. It's only 80, right? When you take a look at the RSI, it's just about 80. So let's go ahead and take a look at the lower time frame. We just talked about the lower time frame less than an hour ago. The 45 minutes. I said it like the 45 minutes was like, when I made my previous video, I said the 45 minutes was like about 68, right? Just about an hour ago. 45 minutes was 68, and then the 4 hour was like a 71. I said like, you know, the 4 hour time frame has a plenty of room to go, because the 45 minutes is, you know, lower than the 45 minute time frame on the RSI was lower than the 4 hour time frame. So you just have to go back and watch my previous BTC quick update. The title is BTC quick update, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour time frame now. You take a look at the 4 hour time frame. Now we're getting a normal normal RSI. Basically the 45 minutes is 91, and then the 4 hour is 89, right? So the 45 minutes is higher than the 4 hour. So we could be expecting like BTC to cool down very shortly, right? You know, a slight pullback. It could even like go back down. It could even like drop down like to 4200 in that range, 4150 to 42. And then my Trololo trend line, my last weekly BTC update, I said like Trololo trend line was like just about 39.27, and I say BTC has to close above 4100 at least this week. So we're pretty safe to close above 4100 this week. So everything is looking great. You know, it's been like a rough 45 days after this drop to the downside, a push to the upside. It's about to be alt season, 5x, 10x. All right, that's about it for today. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I know all you guys like pretty happy about BTC breaking out, so just enjoy the profit while it's lasting before the next the next correction, right? So current price of BTC is just about 45.50. All right, thank you for watching.